So, quick question, your pre sales team is doing what? 20,000 odd calls in a month. But out of these calls, how many calls are you actually listening to? Is it what, 5, 10, 20, or even 30? This number is actually not enough to base your entire calling strategy on. But still, you're doing that right now. So, to make your life easier, we've built this thing. Let me just show it to you. This is every single call from the last 1 month analyzed, summarized, and actually showing you the objections, next step, and the BPCL parameters all on an autopilot. You can actually see that why did a lead not agree for a site visit, what were the things that were not aligning, how were your reps actually answering the questions and objections, and were they being compliant or not. This is how it happens. Each and every call is actually collected from your telephony infrastructure, that is maybe a Zantel, MCube, or Tata Tele. It pulls all these recordings and scores it based on your rubric mechanism, your playbook, and what you define as a good call. This ensures that you're able to actually pinpoint and coach your reps rather than just simply saying, hey, do better. The next thing is compliance. That is, are your reps actually not making any false promises or using pressurizing techniques to just convert your lead to a site visit? It's very important for you to be able to confidently say that they're not doing this. This is exactly what our system also flags. Not in 3 weeks, but on the same day that the call had happened. So you can coach your reps right. And last but not the least, and my favorite view, is the per rep analysis that is done. That is, you can actually see that out of the 14 pre sales reps that you have, which one of them is actually doing the best, which one of them is doing worse, and what exactly is the best one doing, so that you can get the other 39 to follow the same path. This was not possible up till now, but now it is with our system. Oh, and the best part, we can actually transcribe the Indian dialects really accurately, thus ensuring that the analysis is also accurate. This includes Hindi, English, Kannada, Punjabi, Gujarati, Marathi, you name it, we've got it. So, if you want to see this running on your setup, just hit me a DM, we'll set it up for you.